How did the Titanic sink? Sunday, April 14th, 1912. 11:40 p.m. Titanic hits iceberg. 11:43. Boat starts taking in tons of seawater through holes in the hull. 2:05 a.m. The Titanic's bow is completely underwater, lifting the stern. 2:10 a.m. Ship's lights go out. 2:17 a.m. Titanic breaks in two. 2:19 a.m. Bow begins to sink. Two 2:24 a.m. Titanic reaches the bottom of the ocean. The front half of the ship reaches the bottom first. 2 minutes later, the back half of the Titanic joins it, on the floor of the Atlantic. Wreck of the ship is still there today.